What we got here is HP MV 6032E. This printer is multifunctional printer, multitask, triple in one if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear, easily to connect to multiple devices, print from anywhere. This printer also uses dynamic security, is dual band, you can connect it to Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. Like the color, the power cable goes right here. This is the power cable. You turn this printer on and off from right here, and also the Wi-Fi button is right here at the bottom. This is the USB cable connection. Unfortunately, the USB cable is not included with the packaging. It goes right here. This flat section goes to your PC. The benefit of it is if you haven't got Wi-Fi network, you can actually use it. So reduce interaction with dual band Wi-Fi with self-healing. Okay, what we're going to do is to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Then you go to the front. Here is the scanner. Okay, for this printer, stick your document on top of the scanner, select the function you want. If you look over here, if you look right here, you will see, okay, color. If you want to copy color, you press this. If you want to copy black, you press it. You can also see the middle 0, okay, right here, just to show you the buttons right here. You just need to touch it, okay. And from what we can see here, you open this printer up, okay, open it up. To open it up, you can also stick your finger or your hand in middle right here and lift, okay. Once you lift, this printer sometimes just need to push it slowly and easy, okay. Once you open this printer up, the ink cartridges will come right in the middle for you to change it. If you have any paper jam, you open up this section, okay, you can see the arrow is for you to hold it together, okay, and lift up and check for any paper jam and debris right at the back here. And once you're done, close it. If you can't see any debris or paper, close it and close the printer down, lift it up, okay, and push right here. You can see, just stick your finger or your hand right here and lift up, okay, and check for any paper jam or any debris right here as well. Okay, I'm going to close this down. Now, what I want us to do is basically connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Okay, to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, okay, once you press the Wi-Fi button at the back, okay, can you see? Once you press it at the back, the Wi-Fi right now you can see is flashing. So at the back here is Wi-Fi. You can see it's flashing right now. Okay, the button right here is at the back. I'm going to show you. So once you press it, the button is right here. Okay, once you press it, you hear a click sound. Okay, so you turn it on. And also you can see a steady flashing light to tell you that the Wi-Fi is not yet on, okay. The Wi-Fi is not yet on, and once the Wi-Fi is on, it will be steady blue light, and this printer will change to blue color once you connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If there's amber light here, it shows you that it's not, something is not quite right, okay. Either you have not connected the ink or you have not loaded the paper tray, okay. What we're going to do right now is try to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. And to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, I want us to go to, this is HP Smart app, okay. So download this app on your mobile device. The next thing you need to do is, once you download it on your mobile device, you need to click the plus and search for available printer, okay. So as you're searching for available printer, you need to click add printer. Now it's asking us to turn the location, so we need to switch on the location, okay, access my location, then close it, okay. Once you close it, the next we need to do is we need to search for the available printer, HP MV 6000 series. So this printer right now is found. Remember, this printer is HP 6032E, okay. So 6000 series is part of, it started with 6000, so 6000 series, okay, is actually the series for this printer. So once you find it, click add on it. Right now I'm going to put my office Wi-Fi network password for us to connect this printer. I have the details right here, so I'm going to put the details for my office Wi-Fi network to connect this printer. The next thing you need to do is click this arrow, okay, enter, and once you click enter, it will ask you to click continue. Turn Bluetooth on. Bluetooth is required to be set up. Click continue. Allow HP to enable Bluetooth. Yes, click allow. Now Bluetooth is switched on. What it's doing right now is finding this printer. Printer is found. The next thing it's doing is preparing the printer, okay. Starting printer setup is what it's doing, and right now press the flashing information on your printer. For security, we confirm your proximity to the printer. Right now, if you look over here, you will see a flashing information on this printer, okay. Once you press it, here we go, it's preparing the printer. You can see the blue light flashing. It's changing color right now to, it will be steady blue light. Here we go, it's actually connected. Printer is prepared. What it's doing right now is actually connected. If you look over here, but you need to make sure you wait for it to complete here. This printer right now is connected to Wi-Fi network. You must wait for this. Here we go, printer connected to Wi-Fi. Basically, you need to click continue. It's connecting to HP service, but this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Thank you and stay blessed.